Are you looking for the best neck massages? In this video we will look at some of the best neck massages on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Luccgkkfvv Neck Shoulder Massager. In today's fast-paced world, shoulder and neck issues have become a common health concern for many individuals. These problems often stem from modern lifestyles and work environments. Prolonged use of electronic devices such as computers, smartphones, and tablets has led to a habit of frequently bending forward, causing the muscles in the shoulder and neck region to stay in strained positions for extended periods. This situation results in muscle tension and fatigue. The sedentary nature of many jobs, combined with insufficient physical activity, has led to reduced flexibility in the muscles around the shoulders and neck. Stiffness and discomfort have become frequent complaints. Poor posture, both while sitting and standing, further exacerbates these issues. Many people unconsciously adopt habits like slouching or looking down, intensifying the strain on their shoulder and neck areas and worsening the problems. Fortunately, massage therapy and self-care can play a significant role in alleviating shoulder and neck pain. Massages enhance blood circulation, relax tense muscles, and provide relief from pain and discomfort caused by prolonged strain. By stimulating muscles and deep tissues, massages can improve flexibility and range of motion, leading to decreased stiffness. In addition to its physical benefits, massage also helps reduce overall tension and anxiety, which can contribute to exacerbating shoulder and neck problems. By promoting relaxation of both the body and mind, massages contribute holistically to improving one's well-being. For those dealing with high-stress jobs or frequent gadget use, regular professional shoulder and neck massages or learning simple self-massage techniques can be effective in managing pain and improving muscle conditions. Number 2. Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager. 6 powerful deep Shiatsu kneading massage nodes. Our neck massager help you better with alleviate muscle soreness, ease neck stiffness, eliminate cervical fatigue, and relax yourself after a long day work. Easy and safe to use. Built-in infrared advanced soothing heat function. The massager will improve your blood circulation, and it is settled within 10 minutes. Overheating auto shut-off protection can be turned off manually. Adjustable intensity. This shoulder massager has 2-speed strength level, so you can personalize the pressure to relieve muscle pain, and the long handle straps can be used to adjust the massage position and strength as well. Durable and comfortable material. Made of high-quality pool leather and breathable mesh fabric, Vimy Show Back Massager is easy to use and clean. Their zipper is reversed design, equipped with a built-in 2000 mAh charging pool. It truly achieves wireless massage and allows you to massage freely. Wearable backpack. Wearing design frees hands for daily work. You can wear it whether you're at home or in the office without any burden on your shoulder. Great gift idea choice for who you loved. Perfect for home, office, car and travel use. Number 3. Electric Neck and Back Massager. The product is equipped with a charging protection mechanism. It has a red light when charging. It cannot be used in the red light state. After it is fully charged, it turns green when it is turned on. Press and hold the power button for 5-10 seconds to turn it on. Please do not press the button frequently. You can clearly see the red light, and it feels like a warm towel when you put it on your neck. You will feel warm with use, but the temperature will not cause excessive heating and cause skin burns. It is a relatively mild warmth. Due to different display parameters of the equipment, the colors displayed by the equipment are different. Please do not feel strange when receiving the goods. Thank you for your understanding. If you have any questions, please contact customer service, who will answer everything for you. Due to the time difference, messages will be replied within 12 hours from Monday to Friday, and within 72 hours from Saturday to Sunday. Please be patient and wait. Thank you for your purchase. Number 4. 5D Kneading Shiatsu Massage. The first gear is weak and mild. The second level is strong, like kneading and massaging by human hands, suitable for girls. The third level of massage is more intense, suitable for shoulder fatigue or shoulder pain caused by long-term computer use, and is used to prevent frozen shoulder. The cycle button has two levels. The first level is external expansion, suitable for soothing the neck skin and relieving fatigue. The second level is inward circulation, suitable for relieving cervical pain. A little red light therapy without heat. You can clearly see the red light, and it feels like a warm towel when you put it on your neck. You will feel warm with use, but the temperature will not cause excessive heating and cause skin burns. It is a relatively mild warmth. Number 5. Wireless Neck Shoulder Massager. 6 claws. 2 sets of 3D massage heads with 4 large massage contacts cover the shoulder and neck, trapezius muscles, allowing your neck to relax and no longer feel tired and uncomfortable. Simulate massage by a masseur, deeply restoring the massage sensation of alternating grasping, pinching, and kneading between the thumb and palm. Effectively relieve the discomfort caused by the shoulder and neck bowed for a long time. Symptomatic massage, to meet the needs of different forces, easy to operate. Kneading mode, periodically relax shoulders, neck, back. Soothing mode, intelligent recognition of each massage. Upgrade large area hot compress. 2 gear warm compress, stable and comfortable heating, improves massage effect, and allows you to quickly relax the tight state of the neck. Upgrade the retractable strap and back buckle design. 2 ways to use, not only can hand pull to adjust the massage part, but also can snap design fixed massager, massage while working, free hands. DC brushless motor, low noise, strong power, avoid excessive massage and overheat protection. Battery content 2000 mAh, charging time 3 hours, use 10 minutes, can be used 7-8 times. Not only can the shoulder and neck massage, but also the legs, hands, waist massage, easy to switch.